Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Accord speakers louder. First, let's check your head unit's audio settings. Adjust the bass, treble, and balance to your preference. Next, ensure all speaker connections are secure and free from corrosion, as loose wires can significantly reduce sound quality and volume. Finally, consider the power output of your current head unit. Sometimes, a simple adjustment is all you need for a noticeable improvement. If basic adjustments aren't enough, upgrading your speakers is the next step. Look for aftermarket speakers with higher sensitivity, meaning they produce more sound with less power. Also, choose speakers that can handle more power, measured in RMS watts, for clearer sound at higher volumes. Always ensure the new speakers fit your Honda Accord's specific mounting locations and depth. For a significant boost in volume and clarity, consider adding an external amplifier. An amplifier provides dedicated power to your speakers, allowing them to perform at their best without distortion. It's crucial to match the amplifier's RMS power output to your speaker's ratings to prevent damage. Proper wiring and grounding are also essential for safety and optimal sound quality. To truly round out your sound system, integrate a subwoofer for deep, impactful bass. This addition dramatically improves the overall richness and depth of your audio experience. Additionally, applying sound deadening material to your doors and trunk can reduce vibrations and road noise, allowing your speakers to sound even clearer. For more great deals and the link to those darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.